Today on QuickGuides, we're fixing the most chaotic spot in your home, the cabinet under your sink. With a few smart hacks, you'll turn it from cluttered to clean in minutes. Start by completely emptying the cabinet. Sort everything into categories so you know what stays and what goes. Then wipe down all surfaces. A clean base makes organizing way easier. Vertical space is your best friend. A two-tier organizer doubles your storage. A tension rod keeps spray bottles neatly hung, and adhesive hooks give you quick access to small tools or gloves. Small items cause the biggest mess. Clear bins make everything visible at a glance. A sponge basket keeps tiny items from floating around, and a turntable lets you access grouped products with one spin. Under sink spaces deal with moisture and leaks, so add a waterproof liner. A drip tray protects the cabinet from spills, and keeping only essentials ensures things never get messy again. A good system is easy to maintain. A weekly 1-minute reset keeps order. Toss expired or empty items regularly, and refresh bins every few months to keep your setup efficient and clean. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel QuickGuides to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.